Welcome back, fellows. Stock exchange symbols and their progress in tracking. We often use Google to look into the tracking of our exchange symbols that we have. Let's see how we can look into this information using stock history option in Microsoft Excel. So without any further ado, I'll move on to our spreadsheet. First of all, I would like to enter a symbol here. Let's say in this case, I'll use Nokia. Start date and end date. So we'll pick up a start date, let's say 31st, let's not pick 31st December, 1st December 2021. And the next date is, let's say, 15th of February 2022. So from the December 1st till 15th of February, I want to see the progress of this particular symbol. Very simple, is equal to stock history, and then I have to pull in the symbol first, stock symbol, then start date. So I'll pick up a start date here. I picked up the start date, comma, then end date, and we have the end date here as well, another comma. Then it's asking me the frequency. How would you like to see the values? So I would like to see, let's say, weekly. So I will select 1. The next is, do you want to see the headers or not? I want to see the headers. Press 1, comma. Then the properties start. So the first property, let's assume we pick up the date. Then the next property I would like to pick up, let's say, the high numbers on that date. Then a low as well, number 4. Then the volume itself as well. But before that, I would like to also see closing and opening of that. So that is 1 and 2, that's opening and closing. And then the last one is the volume, number 5. So these all features will show up in a moment when I press enter. You can see now here, it gives us the dates. It gives us a high and the low of those stock exchanges. Closing, where did it close, and the opening as well, how did it open. So you find the stock exchange information opening, closing. You also see multiple volumes over here. How much was the volume at that particular point of time? And you can also see multiple other areas of concern here. Now, I would like to change this to Walmart. Find, for example, Walmart. You can see the Walmart symbol. If you want to see any other company, any other symbol, you can put your symbol in the symbol section, and then you can find the stock exchange information. You can also change here the dates. So for example, if you want to start it from 1st of January 2021, you can do that, and then as a consequence it will be a longer result and outcome. You can copy paste this data and save it if you want for any particular functionality. This stock history symbol, you can use it in your Microsoft Office Excel. Enjoy that, guys, and I'm hoping that you will pull in this feature in your next practice exercise. Do leave your comments in the comment section, and I look forward to speak to you again. Till then, take care and stay safe. Ciao, ciao. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please do it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regularly notifications from my new videos.